This particular module is a level 5 module in enterprise and entrepreneurship development, specifically designed for sport and physical activity students and can be extended to health students. And it sits at the second year or level 5, and quite deliberately in a sort of macro design for entrepreneurship. We want to build confidence and understanding in their first year, and then we want to start applying those ideas in the second year, mainly in a group environment, so it's safe and secure. And then in the final year, we encourage those that are interested to progress on to develop their own ideas, so more entrepreneurship. It's specifically designed to look at developing value creation skills, building some confidence, self-efficacy with developing ideas, coming up with ideas, conceiving them, and then having a go at bringing them to life, even if it's just in a conceptual way. So largely what we do is have students working in groups, so it's safe. We don't give them any budgets or any resources, but we do give them a scaffold or a frame, a reference point. And that reference point tends to be an organization that they're going to adopt or work for. So we can have public organizations, lots of not-for-profit organizations, and private sector organizations. So again, we tend to vary that case to allow the students to think about what the core issues and values are in those particular domains, and specifically what value creation looks like in a social enterprise environment versus a civic environment versus private sector. And that in part is about educating the students and developing their understanding of what enterprise and entrepreneurship is, rather than a very narrow view. So on the module, they will develop thinking skills in terms of the approach to designing new ideas. They will also develop practical skills in terms of working in teams or communication, dissemination of ideas. And we wrap that up in a clear set of models and frameworks like Entrecomp that they can reflect on. Self-employment is always an option for the students, and I think this module often helps them decide whether that is a journey that they want to continue pursuing. We often get to the end and they go through the reflective process, and it either changes their mind, gives them a scope to think that they can progress on to self-employment, or it causes them to stop and reassess maybe that's what they were going to do, and then they've seen the whole process and reconsidered. When we look at the core skills and knowledge requirements of the module Enterprise Entrepreneurship Education, then I'm a big believer that it would support students' employability beyond self-employment.